Tá cháil ar chlamraí ar mánach margheall ar an siamsa a churann siad ar fáil, iad a ceol agus ag damsa an éadaí atá iontach as an gná. Ach an é ceol agus crack a bháin a bhíonn arsúil acu, nó an bhfuil fá níos doimhne leis. Chasmuid le déanaí leo chun fáil amach.
Is aistóirí iad, aisteoirí ag tabhairt iarracht an sean tradiisiún a chuineal bio. Tíam na clamraí amach rivan nulaigh diganá, agus na buairlaí tían siad go dtí na banaisí, agus dhéanann siad daos agus cheol agus rudaí mar sin. Ach in Armánach táid ceangail siad le chéile agus táid ag déanamh gach rud.
The costumes, also known as the rig-out for mummers. This part of the rural Ireland that was mainly straw, because straw was cheap. It was available after the harvest. This is a Fermanagh hat here, and you have 4 horns been knitted up on top with the devil's tail. With the devil's tail.
Why is it a devil's tail?
Because with the mummers, you did not know what you were getting when they entered the house. They were devilish, because when you put the hat on you, it was a license to act the blackguard that you wouldn't otherwise have the license to do. It was a license to take fun out of your neighbour or to grab the nearest girl that you could to you because you were disguised. The hat was everything. The hat was everything.
Le linn na bliana tíamid go dtí bánaise, tá ritual beag agan. Sin an ritual a bhíú ag na daoine sna sean éis, agus táid ag léiríonn don na daoine cad a bhíú ón sa sean am.
That the pledge was made in front of guests before church ceremonies. This was the most important part of the wedding ritual, because the bride and bridegroom would ritually join their hands through the aperture in the stone.
Creidem go bhfuil muid an ghnó na sean slite a léiríonn don na daoine, agus sin an creidem atá agan agus atá agam. Nílas agam chun díon dearcha a bhí in na daoine, ach tá agam nuair a dhéanam an drama agus nuair a tíam leis na buairlaí tí go dtí na bánaise, baineann siad a lán sult as.
I think it was the best decision we ever made, because it was such a special evening, and especially something we wanted to share some Irish culture with our family.
Sílim go bhfuil sims na daoine a gcónaí sna sean am, sna sean slite a bhí acu agus baidh siad ón.
Bhfuil sin agah scéal na clamraí, sean tradiisiún atá beo leis fós, agus tar éis siad a fheiceáil in mbun action, tá má him féin an tú sprága chomá.